I know I'm taking your time just before lunch, so I will not take very long. I'm also new to the department, so maybe in detail we'll keep meeting and we'll keep discussing. But I welcome all the delegates. This is a very, very important sector for Gujarat, and it has very deep roots in our state and also in many other states also, especially some of the southern states and our neighbor Maharashtra also. And I was just taking an initial review, and in the initial review it turned out to be that our state has more than 70,000 cooperatives of different types. Of course, there are housing cooperatives, there are banking cooperatives, PACs are also a very important part of it. There are milk cooperatives, the marketing cooperatives, credit cooperatives, number of such important cooperatives are there. And our primary focus will be to see that their financial health is very much in place. Financial health of these cooperatives will be very important. The services that they provide to the members will also be equally important, and we would like to explore all the important e-platforms for this, like e-auction, e-commerce, all these platforms we would like to explore. And definitely core banking already started being implemented by our district level cooperatives, but we would like to also explore to what extent beneficiaries of PACs can also be benefited by it. So the technological platform, providing a technology platform will be very important for us. Financial health will also be very important, and though it is already quite deep-rooted, we would also like to increase its scope as much as possible, especially PACs and milk cooperatives and other cooperatives as well. So our three priorities will be to increase its scope, to provide infrastructure also. Infrastructure, not only electronic platforms but also physical infrastructure is also a big focus on this on the part of state government. We would like to provide infrastructure like godown facilities and storage facilities and other such facilities. Also a capacity building of this sector, it's very important. Now they are also competing with any other commercial sector, so capacity building is also equally important. So these are going to be the focus area, and I would like to be in contact with technology providers and also financial service providers to assist our cooperatives and take them further. So with these few words, I will request Millets to continue with their schedule, and I wish all the best, and I'm sure this conference will bring out many more insights. Cooperatives have also evolved over a period of time. It has also seen ups and downs like any other sector, but of late it is again going on well, and it has benefited a huge number of citizens, especially on the rural side, and I hope more and more beneficiaries will be benefited by it. Also in urban side, urban cooperative banks have already started taking shape, and they are also spreading their roots very fast. So once again I congratulate Millets for organizing this conference and bringing all the stakeholders of cooperative sector on one platform. I welcome all the participants from all the walks of related to this sector, and I'll be very much interested in knowing the conclusions of this conference and will definitely take it forward. Thank you.